How to transfer contacts from Android to iPhone. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily transfer your contacts from Android to any other account or any other device. So the first thing you're going to have to do is simply go ahead and open up your contacts. So let me just go ahead and open that up. Once you open up your contacts, tap on the three dots at the top right, and then you're going to have to go to contact settings. Once you land on the contact settings page, you can go to move contacts to other storage location. Now all you have to do is select what contact you want to move to, from where to where. So I'm going to select from my phone. Now you can select your contacts that you want to move. So for example, if I want to move all of my contacts, just tap on done. Now you can select where you want to move it to. So I'll just select my Google account. And once you've selected your account, just tap on the move button at the bottom of your screen and you should be good to go. Then you can just open up your iPhone and make sure to sync your Google contacts to your phone, and you should be able to get all of the contacts transferred. That's basically it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and I'll see you guys on the next one.